Showing review is the key to build trust with your audience and boost conversion rates. You can display product ratings or share detailed reviews to showcase social proof. Stay tuned as I will guide you how to achieve that by using Stamped Product Reviews app in PageFly. To get started, you need to install the Install Stamped Product Reviews app on your Shopify store. Please check the link in the description to install the app. Before using the Stamped Product Reviews app within PageFly, you must activate it in Theme Editor. Firstly, you should go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Store. In Theme, click on Customize button. In the app embeds, search for Stamped Product Reviews and activate it. After that, let's configure Stamped Product Reviews app because it's important to adjust all the necessary settings within Stamped to ensure that it displays correctly on your PageFly page. Navigate to your Shopify admin. In Apps menu, select Stamped Product Reviews to begin the setup process. On the main dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left sidebar. Then, head to the Displays section. Select Widgets. There are two widgets types that you can use with PageFly. With Main Widget, you can do some basic setup and configuration of the review rating element under the main widget. With Display Widgets, you can easily customize the appearance of the carousel, full page visual gallery, wall photos, top rated, and site badge elements on your page. When you're done, it's time to add Stamped Product Reviews in PageFly. In Page Editor, click Add Third-Party Element on the left menu. Then, click Manage Integrations button or the gear icon on top to access integrations modal. Here, search for Stamped.io reviews in UGCC and enable it. Click Close and the element will appear in the Add Third-Party Element menu. Click on the element to see its variants. After that, drag and drop the variant onto the page canvas, then start to set up for the Stamped Product Reviews element. Next, I will guide you how to configure Stamped Product Reviews element. We have some important note to use Stamped Product Reviews. For more details, please check the description below. After adding the element, you can adjust for it by clicking on the element. Go to Styling tab. Here you can customize for some styling options like margins, borders, and effects. With Stamped.io Review AGC variants, except the Review and Rating variant in the General tab, there are some specific parameters for you to settings for each variant. You can check more details in the manual on the description. With Stamped.io site badge elements, in General tab, there are some settings for the badge like height, text, badge color. Scroll down and you will see other settings. The limit words allow you to limit the max number of words for the review body. In minimum rating, you can choose to show only reviews above the selected minimum rating. There are 5 options for you to show from 1 star to 5 stars. Let's hit Save and Publish button to check it in the live view. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.